Your experience as an athlete is valuable. But if it's not presented in the right way, employers may not fully understand it. That's why building a strong CV and online profile is essential for your next step. The goal is simple: translate your sports experience into professional value. Instead of only listing competitions or results, focus on the skills behind them. What did you develop? Leadership, discipline, teamwork, time management, the ability to perform under pressure. These are the things employers are looking for. Your CV should clearly show who you are, what you're good at, and how your experience can bring value in a professional environment. The same goes for your online presence. Whether it's LinkedIn or another platform, your profile should tell your story in a clear and confident way. Not just as an athlete, but as a future professional. Focus on your strengths, your mindset, and your potential. Keep it simple, structured, and authentic. You don't need to have years of corporate experience to stand out. You already have something powerful: your journey. Now it's about presenting it in a way others can understand. Take the time to build your CV and your online profile with intention, because when your story is clear, the right opportunities become easier to find.